no. Original.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's fake kills.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them a random. Me have to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, dark she jeje. No they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh.
So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you.
Hello guys, so I finally got done with my laundry, so I'm going to fold this clothes and put it away. As you saw, I've been doing laundry. I did my green smoothie, I did some dishes, and now it's almost 1 p.m. I want to do some more cleaning today, just around the apartment, and then I want to go to the gym, and I think I have to do a little bit of work on the computer. I'm gonna have a pretty long day tomorrow, so today I'm hoping I can do like a combination of relaxing and just doing work around the house.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh. Original bad man.
So I folded my laundry, put it all away, and now I'm gonna go to the store to get something to eat. I was gonna eat some toast because that's what I have, but I don't feel like it, so I'm gonna go to the store and just pick up something else. And then I think I'm gonna go to my boyfriend's place because he asked me to clean a pot for him since he's out of town and he forgot to clean it before he left. So I'll just do that, and I think I might eat at his place and watch a movie. He has a big TV and I only have, like, I watch movies on my phone, so I think I'll do that. And the weather is insane today, so I don't think I need a jacket or anything, but yeah, let's head out.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. I do, I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you.
So I'm just checking in to say good night. It's almost midnight and I have to be at work at 8 tomorrow morning, so I have to go to sleep. I finished almost everything that I wanted to do today. After I went to my boyfriend's place and did the little washing up that he asked me to do, I went back home. I did some stuff around the house, you know, I vacuumed and I did some cleaning up, some tidying up. I didn't actually go to the gym today, but that's fine. I went 3 times this week, so it's fine. And yeah, I had to do some computer work, and yeah, I'm pretty tired now and I have a long day tomorrow, so I'm gonna head to bed and I will see you guys later.
Like a biscuit, oh yeah, that come she no they do me she get. You wanna come on fair, now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette.